Made it out of the parking lot today, just right before I started recording. I just decided today is going to be just practicing, making sure I can get out of the parking lot, go up hills and down hills and stuff like that. But it's really windy once we get above this parking lot, and that makes it a little bit more difficult to ride. This is day 6. We're going to take a ride. I'm going to try to get up to the other parking lot if I don't get blown away. I know the audio is not going to be very good in this one, so there's going to be a lot of music, and I just wanted to do a quick one today and show you my progress. But I went up the end up here, all the way up, all the way by the school, turned around and came back down. But I had to get off over here because it was so windy, it like literally almost blew me off.